Today we're here to talk about Enviro, the sexiest line of gas freestanding fireplaces in the market. And predominantly right now, I'm going to talk about the Berkley because I have it fired up in the showroom. This thing is an absolute piece of art. All ceramic finish. This thing is an absolute tank. What are the benefits of going to a freestanding gas fireplace? No mess. You don't need to worry about cleaning up the embers, the ashes, the soot, the firewood, all that stuff. This thing is plug and play. The installs of them are generally super simple compared to a built-in fireplace or insert. This one I'm not going to say is an easy install because I've got like 47 feet of chimney on this puppy. But generally you would go right up, right out the wall, and you can still work with the black pipe to keep that authentic look while switching to a easier form of fuel, natural gas or propane. Take a look at this guy, a little bit of a close-up shot. You can see the craftsmanship and the finish on it. Now this is only one of the premium products from Enviro. You can see the eco fan going on top there. This one's three-sided, so you're gonna see this thing from absolutely every corner of your house. If you want the money shot, this guy's gonna give it to you. When it comes to Enviro, they have a solution for everybody. Not only does it pump off a ton of heat, they're also designed around many aesthetiques. And when I say that, I mean you can go modern, you can go traditional, like with the Berkley. But let me show you on the other side. We've got the S-Series gas fireplace, a little bit more modern, a little bit more sleek. Or the elegant cast Berkley, very similar to the other one I just showed you, different finish. Again, it's a super dense unit. You're gonna get a ton of radiant heat coming off of that puppy. And then when you go over to the S20, again, following in line with the more modern aesthetics. Ton of power comes out of these guys as well. Another cool thing about these, everybody's thinking about wood stoves and fireplaces to keep your home warm in the event of a power outage. All of these guys are battery operated in the event of a power loss. They're gonna keep the house warm and you don't need to worry about what's happening outside. Dialing in on the Westley, again, getting into the fancy three-sided, a little bit less power than the Berkley, but still giving you that nice classical look. Or our most popular unit, bang for your buck, the Westport is the tits. Yeah, I gotta say that because the price point hits all the marks. You can add a fan to this guy, remote controlled. I wanna say 40,000 BTU, 30,000 BTUs. So it's still gonna burn the pot right off the top of this thing if that was your intention. Hits a price point, like 3,800 bucks for a freestanding stove. You really can't beat it. And the flame on it, I gotta say, is dialed right in. Just like our friend over there. Enviro Freestanding's S-Series, particularly the S50, is a very unique, beautiful design and is probably one of the most inquired items we have on the floor, really because of its cylindrical design. It's got the round glass face on it, viewable from 180 degrees, and the power of this thing, so unique. Check out that liner inside there, all inclusive, and the viewing glass is impeccable. I say that because it really is a one-of-a-kind unit. The cool thing about this, the versatility of install. You can actually get a kit to hang this from the ceiling, run the gas lines and the venting right up, so it's totally suspended off the floor. That's one unique way to do it. And last but not least, the Enviro Freestanding Cube, one of the newest additions to the Enviro Freestanding lineup. Beautiful aesthetics. We're putting them in lots of mods, modern looking houses, something unique. Check this guy out. All square, unique body, seamless. You can get these things in all kinds of different colors. Even have a optional pedestal under this guy or a double pedestal to get creative. Now you can see me in there, but this guy pumps out the heat, comes with the liner you see there, comes in cypress green, Bordeaux red. or sage green. Beautiful unit. And I love the screen on it, the glass. Almost looks like a television. I think the cool thing about these guys, you can actually top vent or swap it around to rear vent that guy. Another beautiful unit. That's pretty much the Enviro lineup. We've got them all down here to check out. We look forward to seeing you. If you think a freestanding gas fireplace might be for you, check us out at Fireplaces by Cameron, or come on down and visit us. 1089 Braidwood Road in Courtney. We've got all the goodies to show you. Wood, gas, electric, inserts, outserts. That's not a thing, but we'll make it work.